The neck settings are above the button on the right, which is there, and that's showing the photo button. We've got it on single, or we can time it, various timings on the shots. So put it back to single. If I click on the video, it goes to 2.7K, which we've got three alternatives of frame speeds, 24, 25 and 30. If we go to 1080p, we've got more of a selection, so we can go more slow motion with the 60 frames per second, 25, 30, 24, 48 or 50 or 60. I'm going to go back to 2.7, and then the quick shots won't work while it's on the ground, but if you watch the video now, we will see the drone flying, and then you can access the various quick shots. Here are the quick shots. The first is the Dronie, which pulls away from you at a 45-degree angle. The next is the rocket, which goes up vertically, straight up in the air. And the third is a circle, where you set the distance away from you and the drone circles around you. And the final one is the Helix, which is a rising circle. So if we put the photo now on and I press the button, it'll take the photo. If I then go to the video and press the button, you'll see the video is now recording, and the second count is underneath the video. So we'll stop it at 10 seconds. Stop. Now, underneath the record button or the photograph button, you've actually got an arrow, and that's giving us the breakdown of what we've just done. So you can see we've taken a still image, and where there is the video, which is pretty boring, but that gives you an example of the video. So you can view it on the screen before you take it away with the SD card. Now, when we're in camera mode, let's go into camera mode and photo here. The bottom right hand side, we can change things. So if I press that, that says us how much space we've got left on the SD card and how many photos that will take. It's also then, if we press on the button where auto, we can go to a manual shooting. We can change the ISO, put it back to 100. We can change the shutter speed. Let's say we speed it up to 1/160th, and then we can change if it's in auto mode, we can also change the EV, put a bit more light into the image, or make it darker, as you can see. So those are the way you can do it. Now, if we wanted to set that and make it permanent so it doesn't move, we can lock it there by pressing that lock button on the A and E, and then click it off again, it comes off. The only other button is on the left hand side, which is an auto takeoff, which I won't press indoors. We'll go outside and we'll take off what you pressing the auto takeoff button.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And that concludes the information on the DJI Fly app. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel, or watch the next video in the playlist, or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded. Bye for now.